Hello and welcome to the Birdman Fan TV. After San Miguel not just their first win thanks to Tyler Wilkerson's 52 point on a ultimate limelight of his life. Best player of the game is Tyler Wilkerson with 52 points, 11 rebounds, and 7 out of 11 from beyond the arc. As SMB gets their first win, final score Globalport 109, San Miguel 120. So this is a good start for San Miguel Beermen, and this is the first time that San Miguel made their shot from beyond the arc with 19 3-pointers, and he made history as Tyler Wilkerson gets their blocking shot. That's good defense for the San Miguel Beermen to give their reputation for this squad. Junmar Fajardo gets their almost a fouled out with 5 personal fouls, but don't hesitate for that as Tyler Wilkerson to the rescue and made its first win for San Miguel Beermen. I hope that San Miguel never do it again in a hangover effect last season. Now, Tyler Wilkerson gets his second appearance, but he made it as the best player of the game. Alex Cabagnot and Marshall Lassiter combining with 25 or 32 points rather. Anyway, Azkaban not finished with 10 points as he is not in 100%, but he deserved to play in a limited minutes of action. Marshall Lassiter gets his another limelight with 25 points. Without Arvin Santos, there's no problem for San Miguel to get their win. Kaya kahit wala si Arvin Santos, nakaka-step up naman sa laro nila mula una hanggang uli. However, ang bad news lang si Christos na technical foul siya siguro. Kaya he must be careful in the next match because if he caught another technical, he will be suspended in the next match. So we have to watch out for that. The other SMB squad have deserved another performance differ from its first opening game against Mahindra, but SMB gets their bounce back win. My best player for me would be Alex Cabagnot and Wilkerson because these two players are very eligible to play well. However, Cabagnot is not yet 100% and Arvin Santos get his hamstring injury. No problem for Tyler Wilkerson. Kaya nag-step up rin siya mula una hanggang huli. Hindi siya nagpapahinga ng loob pero susubukan niya sa tunay na pagsubok. Kaya well deserved na may panalo ng game na ito kontra sa Globalport. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like nyo lang sa Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. I-follow nyo kami sa Twitter and Instagram sa The Beerman Fan TV. And huwag kakalimutan sa YouTube na i-like, i-share at subscribe sa YouTube channel as our channel still counting as well. We're on the 100 subscribers and we want to talk and we want to expand subscribers in the whole new level. So keep subscribing on the YouTube channel at the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Afro and we'll see you in the next video. Inshallah. Bye.